guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another Teachable Moments video. So I got this idea today at work. Today was the first day of the year that our residents were able to enjoy a fruit plate for lunch today. And our facility loves doing these usually on Fridays for the residents, and they just give them a whole big platter of fresh fruit. Usually serve it with a side of cottage cheese for their protein, maybe a little muffin. But our residents love the fresh fruit platters. And so I was thinking back to some questions that I had related to recipes that would be easy to do for loved ones that needed altered diets or dysphagia diets, especially and particularly those for pureed diets. And so when I was helping people with lunch, and especially people that were on the puree textures, they had just a puree plate of fruit. So it was kind of like applesauce, except it was whatever fresh fruit that they had. Today was strawberries and I think blueberries, and there was maybe some oranges or something like that, mandarin oranges that they pureed. But it was a huge hit. And I remembered that about a few years ago, I had a cold soup, and it was called gazpacho. And it's a Spanish-style soup that is usually served pureed, really pureed, and it's served cold. So it is a great food that can be served for people that need pureed foods in the summer, because nobody wants to have pureed soups that are really hot when the weather outside is equally as hot and humid, especially like it is here. So I wanted to show you a few ideas of some gazpacho recipes that I found online, and I will post these in the description section so that you can have them and try them out at home. I haven't been able to try these out yet, but I am going to. So when I do, I'll try to let you guys know how they taste, but they look delicious, so I can't imagine them going wrong, and they're super easy to do. So some of these are made with vegetables, and then I found a few that are also made with fruit, so you can kind of choose what you want to do. And so I'm going to try to show you some pictures. This first one right there is just the regular gazpacho, and it is, let's see if I can pull it up, it is made with tomatoes, a cucumber, a red bell pepper, an onion, and some seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, and things like that. You throw all of those things after you cut them up into a big blender, and you blend it up. And it's really that simple. You can serve these immediately after blending them, or you can refrigerate them for a while and serve them really cold. Another one that I found is called the sweet corn gazpacho, and it looks like this. I hope my camera is catching that for you guys. I was thrilled to find the sweet corn gazpacho because unless you're able to eat regular foods, corn is usually not an option. If you're on anything that, any kind of an altered diet, corn isn't an option because it's so hard, it's so easy to choke on. It's hard to chew. It's little pieces. But this sweet corn gazpacho solves that problem because you put the corn and some of the other vegetables into a blender and you blend it up, and it's really good. So your loved one would be able to get that taste of the sweet corn with a few other vegetables. Super simple, putting it in a blender and serving it that way. The last one I wanted to show you was a fruit gazpacho, and they did a really good job on making these super fun and cute, and they look like this. And in this particular recipe, they used raspberries, cantaloupe, and kiwi. But as it says in the recipe, your options are endless. You can use pretty much whatever fruit that you can find. And strawberries are always a really big hit. Blueberries. You could even do a red, white, and blue with strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple or banana if you puree it really well, since the 4th of July is coming up. So something really fun that may entice your loved one to be able to eat something a little bit different and better. But you blend all of these up, and you can either layer them like the one here in this picture, put them on a plate, however you want to serve it is fine. But these are a big hit. Now, you can use fresh fruits if you feel like chopping them up like you would the vegetables, but another idea would be to buy them frozen, and you just are dumping the bags into the blender and blending them up. It can be super, super simple. So I just wanted to share these with you. Like I said, I will post these links in the description so that you can have fun with them at home and hopefully give your loved ones something to enjoy as well. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, good luck cracking the code.